Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review the Tiksounds X15, a pair of very affordable earphones which I purchased on Amazon. I'll link in the description to where you can purchase these. They're around about £20 sterling, but with offers and extra coupons you could get it for a lot less than £20. So let's see what £20 gets you with these Tiksounds X15. Right, I'll take my jerry-rig everything knife and use that to cut into the packaging. It's fairly straightforward packaging here. It's covered in cellophane, and on the inside you have a cardboard box which has, as you can see, a depiction embossed of the product. So that's the earbuds in their case. X15 is the model. Interestingly, there's no Tiksounds brand here. It just says wireless earbuds. A few details about the product, a few specifications on the back. We'll look into those in a little bit more detail, and that's about it. So in terms of colours, I went with black. There's also pink available, or rose gold, call it as you wish. I'm not sure if this is actually undone. I'll just need to check that there's no glue in the middle. Okay, there we go. So that should be the box starting to come through. This may take a while. Right, we're finally in. There seems to be a distinct lack of weight there on the packaging. So on the inside, simple instruction manual. This is actually just a folded up sheet with multiple languages: English, German and French, Italian, Spanish, and I'm not going to go too far on this. This looks like Japanese to me, but I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, do correct me. Let us know in the comment section below. Anyway, all the basics are there. On the inside of the packaging, earbuds themselves, a little bit of styrofoam to keep everything in place, and in this case it's a charging cable and extra earbud tips. As we can see here, this is USB Type A on one side to USB Type C on the other. Very handy if you have an Android device and you're going to be using these whilst traveling. You don't need to take a separate charger. Your existing phone charger or phone charging cable should do the job. And here we can see there's large and small ear tips. I'm assuming that medium already fitted to the earbuds. And here are the earbuds themselves with a little protective plastic lip on them. Let's take that off. Here we go. So it's a simple black case. It actually feels very light. And when you open it up, you get a little percentage indicator for the battery. And the earbuds themselves, they don't seem to have any sort of protection for the pogo pins. They're already lighting up here. So I'm going to put them back in the case and leave them. So the case tells me that they're at 98% and now charging the earbuds. So I'll put this down for a moment. And I think that today we will connect these Tiksounds X15 to my iPhone. So this is an Apple iPhone 14 Pro. To connect them, we'll obviously need to go to Bluetooth. And I'll need to search for them. So Imomo Reno, I know that's my smart sofa. X15, that's them. So I'll tap on that. Now we should be able to put these in my ears. And there we are. I have voice information there telling me that the X15 are connected to me, and it's English spoken voice. Now, interestingly, on the iPhone, the moment I connected the Bluetooth earphones, you can see here from my dynamic island that it automatically started playing Jennifer Page. I mean, it's as if it knows exactly what I wanted to listen to and just played it to me. So there you go. Okay, so that is on Apple Music. It automatically did so. Now, I don't subscribe to Apple Music. I listen to I subscribe to YouTube Music, so let's just go ahead and check that both earbuds are properly connected. Here we go. So YouTube Music is here. So I'm going to allow notifications. Great, so this is my test playlist. I'll link in the description to this video to where you can listen to this on YouTube Music. It's my test playlist. I'll listen to this as well as make use of these earbuds for a while, and then use it for a few video calls, use it for a day at work, and see how I get on. Once I've done that, I will add the end of the video, which will be a recording of a video call with our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukasz, where I'll sum things up and give you my overall impressions of the Tiksounds X15. I have to say, nice case, simple, feels plasticky and glossy. I'm quite happy with USB Type-C, first impressions, and sound starting to sound good. But without some more time with it, I can't really give you a review. So I'll be back in a few moments with the actual review. And so here we are. I'm recording this video call from Google Meet with our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukasz. Hey, Lukasz.
How's it going, Matteo?
Good, good, thanks. I'm quite enjoying the Tiksounds X15. We'll need to make this short and to the point because the battery on them is low. This is after almost 7 hours of use, so just over 6 hours of use on a single charge whilst I was working today. And the case is very cool. It has a little display at the front that gives you a percentage of the charge of the case itself. Now, Tiksounds say that they give you up to 28 hours on one charge with this set of earphones. I still have to verify that, and I'm getting low battery notifications at this point. But I have to say, for a single charge of the earbuds, they're very, very good. They're very, very comfortable. The silicone tips and the overall shape fit my ears very nicely. They're not too big and sticky. I'm quite fond of these. So I have to say, for less than £20 sterling and the frequent vouchers or other advantages you get through Amazon, these are pretty good. There's no active noise cancellation. They are IPX7 rated for splash and dust resistance. So not fully waterproof, but enough to go out in the rain in Scotland. So I think Tiksounds have a very compelling product for the price. Now, obviously, it's down to our viewers to make their own decision on what the microphone quality is. But can you hear me, Lukasz? Do I make any sense?
Yeah, all sounds good, no problem. The microphone quality seems good, so no problem there.
Yeah, so as I said, for less than £20 sterling, which is what a lot of people spend on a silicone case for the fruity AirPods, I can say these Tiksounds earbuds are good value for money. Type-C charging is also great. That means that if you have an Android smartphone with USB Type-C, you will not need to have a separate charger with you. Anyway, let us know in the comments what you think the sound quality is like on these earbuds. And we'll link in the description to the earbuds themselves, my test playlist for music, and we will speak to you in the next video. Lukasz, anything you want to add?
No, all good. So thanks for watching.
Good. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.